Okay. Alright, so here's a shot of it fixing to go back in. And all you have to do is slide it sideways, back under. You gotta watch for those bars getting in the way. Right here. And on the other side. I put them up on the pins where they go. Right here. And just slide it under. This drops down. Now on that pin it's easier. It's much to pick up the whole pan. And goes on that pin. Then you have these two up front. This one goes here. And you put pins through all of them. Just like that. That's all there is to it. A few more of those pins, putting the belt back on, and it'll be done.